Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 153, Constrain Input to a Date and Show the Calendar Selector. I was at Seminar by the Sea last week, having a great time with like-minded Quantrix lovers, and someone had a question on how to do this. It was actually a coworker of mine, so I wanted to make this video for him. And of course for you, if you are unaware of how to use this awesome functionality in Quantrix. So what I have here is I have a matrix, we'll call it matrix 2, and what it is doing is it is going out and it is summing the values of sales, okay, where the start date of the month over here is less than the day that I have put in here with date, okay. And so if I go ahead and I change this from to 3/1/2016, that is less than 3/1/2016. These dates are less than that, so I would expect to see to have a value of 225, and that's what I'm having. If I were to go ahead and I was to make this 12/1/2016, okay, I would see that it would update to 1760. Again, if I were to go ahead and I were to sum that, and then look down here, change my calculation to sum, I would see 1760. That's what I'm getting, okay? So what I want to do is I want to actually constrain this cell so it only has dates in it, and I want to have the calendar be displayed so that when the user clicks on it, a calendar pops up. So how do I do that? I would go ahead and I would right-click on here, right-click in this cell, Constrain Input, select Date, really any date. Once I click OK, now I have a calendar selector here, and if I wanted to toggle around, I want to say from August 31, again, it updates for me automatically. It goes out here to 980. If I were to go ahead and I sum that, I can see from July, because I shouldn't be including August, I can see that it equals 980. So anyway, that's how you constrain input using a calendar in Quantrix. Again, you go ahead, you click on cell, you select Constrain Input, you go ahead and you select Date, click OK, and what it will do when you enter that cell is it'll go ahead and it will give you a calendar kind of widget or selector that pops up. Anyway, I hope you find that useful. If you have any questions about anything in Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I absolutely love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master. So please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.